scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving rates of change are actually super simple if you follow these steps. Let us solve this cylinder volume problem together right now. Start by identifying the volume formula for a cylinder, which is pi times radius squared times height. In this specific problem, the radius of the tank stays constant at 3 meters. Since the radius is fixed, we can simplify our volume equation to 9 pi times height. This makes finding the derivative much easier as we move toward the final rate calculation. Differentiating both sides with respect to time gives the rate of change. Plugging in known values leads directly to the correct answer, option A. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid any rush. Always trust the given values and check your steps carefully.